Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change the language on YouTube. First thing, let's launch the YouTube app. Then you want to head to the lower right corner where you see your profile picture. You want to click on it. Then you want to head to the top right corner and you want to click on the gear icon. Okay. When you're at the gear icon, you have the option to select General. When you're at the general, you gotta go and click on app language, this option over here. When you click on app language, you will have the option to change the language, which is as a preferred language on your device. In my case, this is an iPhone default English language. So this is how you can go about it. You can simply click on preferred language, you can click on the language, and after you change the language on the phone default language, this will change the language on YouTube. This will change the language on the comments. This will change the whole experiences on the people who are coming and following and watching your content. And this is how you change the language on YouTube. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you the only legitimate way for you to download any YouTube video from the YouTube platform. First thing you want to do, you want to launch the YouTube app. Then you want to scroll down and you want to look for a video that you want to download. Let's say, for example, we want to download this video over here. You want to click on the three dots on the right side under the video, right? And you want to click download video. There is two options that you can actually pick from 720 quality to 360 quality. I understand you might be disappointed that there isn't an option with full HD or 4K download availability. But there is even worse news. To be able to download the video, you gotta subscribe to YouTube Premium. The first month will be free as a free trial. The second month will cost you $18.99. Very important part is that on top of being able to download any video from YouTube, you will be able to watch videos on the platform without ads. This is part of the package. So I think for people who are not interested into watching ads and at the same time interested into downloading videos, I think this could be beneficial. But look what YouTube is actually giving you as additional information. Your membership starts as soon as you set a payment and subscribe with iTunes. So iTunes has to be linked as well. Your monthly charge will occur on the last day of the current billing period. They will renew your membership if you have an auto renewal. If not, well, then you have to do it manually. Again, guys, remember guys, the only legitimate way for you to download any content from the platform without having any issues with copyrights or any other issues is simply go through the actual YouTube download functionality. Don't use the third-party software. Something that you can probably use, downloading Reels or downloading Instagram videos, does not actually work as well over here because most of the videos over here are original content that also belongs partially to the YouTube. So go ahead, and if you really want to download, this is the way to do it. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to block YouTube channels on YouTube the easy way. First thing, let's launch the YouTube app. When you're on YouTube, let's scroll through the feed and let's try to find someone that you want to block. Let's go over here. Let's say we want to block this channel over here, Rise Cinema, okay? You want to click on the channel itself and then you want to scroll all the way to the top of the channel where you see the three straight lines in form of a dots, of course. You're gonna have a pop-up menu where you will have the option, first of all, to hide user from my channel. When you click this one, what this simply will do, this will hide existing and future comments from this user on my channel, and this will simply hide this channel to see my content and my actual profile. This is option number one. But this doesn't mean that they won't be able to see your content if your content is shared from somebody else. How you can go even further? If you click back again to this particular option, you will have the function over here to click report user. YouTube add a new features on this option, right? And when you click over here, you will have the option to click report user on their own profile. And what I mean by they add new features, well, it's no longer something that it's obvious that is like illegal or against the guidance from YouTube, but you can actually click none of this are my issue. So for example, there is something else that you can actually use in your report. But again, very important, everything has to be legitimate. It has to be a legitimate reason. You cannot make up the stuff, right? You can report someone if they're stealing your content, stealing your titles, copying your production, trying to spam your comments on the comment section just to get your subscribers or followers or essentially your audience. It has to be a legitimate reason. And what I'm saying is that if you scroll down, there are reasons that you can actually use. As you can see, spam and deceptive practices, fake engagement, impressionating, external links, spam. If somebody keep coming to your channel just spamming and using bad words for your content, it spits lies, it's trying to bash you and your channel, this is probably something that you can use. Also, it is very important that a lot of this that is allowed over here to be reported as an issue are usually stuff that are not related to your own channel. So you want to make sure that you find something that is extremely relative to your own situation, and you can also submit a report. When you click help here on YouTube. You'll be able to submit your personal report and let them know what is your issue with this channel. Because like I said, everything has to be legitimate, everything has to be backed with real evidences and real issue. Otherwise, you cannot simply report anyone for no reason, right? Or like something that is not actually happening. But as long as they are hide, the first option I show you, they will not be able to comment on your videos, they will not be able to see your content, and your content most likely will not be recommended to them anymore, even though they are subscribed to the channel. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to delete your YouTube search history. First thing, let's launch the YouTube app. Then you want to head to the lower right corner and click on the icon that it says you. Okay, then you want to go ahead and click on the gear icon at the top right corner. Then you want to scroll down to the section that it says manage all history. You want to click on manage all history, and here you will be left with a bunch of different options. Let me explain, simple, clear visual. First option, of course, is you want to make sure do you have on or off auto deletion. You want to click on auto delete, and you will see that auto delete option currently it's not on this particular account. If I had it on, this will give me an option after 3 months, 18 months or 36 months to have my search history automatically deleted. This is, in my opinion, a very good option considering accounts that you're not using with the purpose of finding stuff. You just probably random trends from time to time that will not matter after 3, 6, 12 months from now. So this is how you clear your search history automatically. If you go back, you will see that you can actually go ahead and see by days on the clicking on the calendar over here. You can go and select a date, month of the year as well, and you can find out exactly what did you search on this date, and you can clean it. You can simply delete it. The otherwise is you can go scroll down and simply click individual X, right? You can simply individually delete each of these items over here. This simply will help you if you really want to delete just a couple of search queries, not the whole lot of your story, because you might find it important, right? These are the 3 different options that you could actually go ahead and do so, and I'm gonna give you an extra tip over here. I want you to click on saving your YouTube history. if you click on this one, you would see exactly what type of information YouTube is saving for you and your account. As you can see, YouTube saves the videos that you've watched, YouTube saves the search queries that you put, and YouTube saves the voice and audio activity. You can individually toggle this on and off depending on your preference. This is very important, and you could also turn off over here, and YouTube will not save none of this, right? So then you don't have nothing to delete because they're not gonna save what you've watched, what you search for, audio or voice recordings. This is just a pro tip over here, guys. For more tips and tricks, subscribe and follow for more. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to disable YouTube Shorts suggestions. When you launch the YouTube app, like I'm showing you over here, you will have a bunch of Shorts suggestions. So for example, I don't want to be or get recommendations about something like this, right? You want to click on the three dots on the top and then you want to click not interested. Then you want to scroll down. I don't want to see Mr. Beast either. Let's click on the three dots, not interested. How about Marcus Brownie? Sure, but let's clear the history. Three dots, not interested. And what this will actually do when you hit the home button again and refresh, simply you're not gonna have any more Shorts recommendations. And to prove a point, I can close it, right? And then launch again YouTube, and you will see there is no Shorts recommendations anymore. This is how simple it is. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn off autoplay on YouTube from the settings, not from the actual video itself. Let's launch the YouTube app. Next thing you want to do, you want to click on the lower right corner and click on your profile. Then when you're at your profile, you want to click on the gear icon in the top right corner. When you're at the settings, I want you to click on the autoplay option. As you can see over here, there is an option that you should turn off. This simply will turn off all the devices that are currently logged into this account. For example, if you have a tablet, if you have a mobile device, 2 or 3 phones that are currently logged into this account, when you change the setting from here on this iPhone, for example, it will change the setting on all the devices. Even if you, for example, log in through your Apple TV and log in through the same YouTube account, even on the TV, you're not going to have the autoplay anymore. And this is how you're turning off the autoplay on YouTube. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and come back for more. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to upload high quality videos on YouTube. There is a special setting that you have to set in advance. Let's launch the YouTube app first. Then I want you to go and click on the lower right corner where you see your profile icon. Then I want you to go ahead and click on the gear icon in the top right corner. When you're at the settings, I want you to click on uploads. Do you see this? It's almost at the end of the menu. You want to click on uploads, and here you have the option number 1, which is upload quality. You want to make sure that you set this to 1080p, okay? This is very, very important because even if sometimes you have, let's say, not so good internet connection, Wi-Fi or data, YouTube, if you didn't preset this as an automatic, YouTube will default uploading your video on the lower quality because it will take so much more time if you didn't opt in for 1080p. So in this way, no matter how good is the internet, when you have this set as a default, you will always have uploaded at 1080p. This is why you can see over here that you have also the option to upload over Wi-Fi only, which is not recommended in my opinion, simply because you're limiting yourself only through the Wi-Fi connection, which is again more powerful, but you don't have access at the Wi-Fi connection when you're outside of your home, right? When you're outside of your home, you're only using data, and data is not so fast, data is limited, and we all know there's plenty of limitations. But if you're outside and you really want to upload the video, you want to make sure that the video is uploading in 1080p, right? But this is how essentially you upload videos with high quality on YouTube. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and come back for more. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to check if a YouTube channel is monetized and if a YouTube channel has a monetized videos. Very easy, very simple. Let's launch the YouTube app first. Let's go on YouTube feed and try to find the channel that we're interested. Let's say, for example, this channel over here. You want to click on the channel, not on the video. Then when you're at the channel, you want to go on the top right corner and click on the three dots, okay? Then I want you to simply click share and copy the link. Now I want you to go on Google Chrome and I want you to look for this particular website. The website is called Is This Channel Monetized? You want to click on the website, you want to scroll down, and here you want to paste the link from the channel that you're interested. Then you click check monetization. Okay, it's usually very fast. Okay, so this is the YouTube channel that we looked, and according to this, the channel is probably monetized. They don't give you guarantee. The channel has at least 3 monetized regular videos. It gives you information about the views that they have generated, the amount of subscribers. Here are few numbers to give you an idea of how much this channel could have made with 1 billion views. Wow, that's a lot of money. And this is simply with different RPMs. And you know, the videos could vary between the categories as well. Interesting. But guys, this is how you can find if a channel is monetized and if a channel has some monetized videos. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to reply to the comments with a video on YouTube Shorts. First of all, let's launch YouTube and let's launch the Shorts. You want to stop on this one, you want to come click on this one, and then you want to click, for example, on the comments over here. Now you want to click on the camera icon on the right side next to the add reply. You click on the camera sign, and now you're able to create a brand new short. You're able to record yourself commenting on other people's comment, and you will have the sticker of the original comment showing on what you actually replying to. Now the couple of things that are important is that on the top right corner you can change the length of the short from 15 to 60 seconds, right? You're able to put timer, you're able to speed up or slow down, you're able to actually utilize the green screen function. Like a regular editing short, you want to make sure that everything is aligned, and then you're able to move the sticker when you're done. You're able to move this comment, which is the reply on the comment that you're creating video for. You're able to move it on the side. You record yourself, you hold your finger on the sticker on the original comment, you drag it all the way up to the top. You can also utilize that sound. If you can see on the top of the middle of the screen, you can actually add additional sound. On the right side menu, all the settings will also give you more functions. You can actually flip. If you did a selfie type of video, right, and you did a landscape, you want to flip it, or you want to change the way how the whole settlement of the frame looks like. You can add different filters over here. Everything is as usual, creating a normal shorts. The main difference over here is that you will be able and you will have the original comment on top as a title of your video. Subscribe to the channel, guys, and come back for more. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn off restrictive mode on YouTube app. First of all, let's launch the YouTube app. Then you want to click on the lower right corner where you see the logo of your profile picture. Then you want to go all the way up to the gear icon. You want to click on it. Then you want to click on General. When you click on General Settings, you want to scroll down and you will find Restricted Mode. Currently it's off. I'm going to toggle this on and off so you will see how it actually works. Why this is so important? Because sometimes you will not be able to see particular videos if you not have this off. This helps to hide potential mature videos, content that requires particular age, that comes with age restrictions. And sometimes people who are publishing these videos are not specifically mentioning that these videos are with this particular age requirement. So this will simply help you to either prevent someone from watching these videos through your account or you seeing these videos. Also, a very important note is that when you actually change the restrictive mode on the mobile, that does not mean that logging through different devices on this account will have the same function saved. This means that if you have this account on tablet, on your PC, or on other phone, you gotta go and you gotta log in through the other devices and you have to repeat the process. You have to go on each of the device and you have to turn off or turn on restricted mode. This is very important because this feature is really to prevent particular content to go in front of the wrong people. So this is why YouTube does not automatically align all in each setting that you're currently changing on one device to all of the devices. So if you really want to make the change all over the place, you have to gather all the devices in front of you and change the setting right away. Subscribe and come back for more. Hi guys, in this tutorial video I am going to show you how you can upload a YouTube video for the first time. Very easy and simple. Let's jump to YouTube app first. So when you're at YouTube, like any other new social media, you will have at the lower center of the screen a plus sign. This is where you click and you start uploading the content that you want to publish. So now let's hit the plus sign over here. When you hit the plus sign, we are capable to pick up a video that we want to upload. Let's select this one. So after we pick up our video, the first thing that you want to pay attention to is that you want to upload a thumbnail. How are you going to do that? If you look at the top left corner, you have a small icon that has like a plus sign with an image. You want to click on this icon over here, and then you have an option to upload a thumbnail. Let's pick this one. Thumbnail has to be positioned horizontally. This means that has to be in the position of 90/20 80p. So in this particular case, you could see that we're filling up all the gaps from corner to corner and we're having a high definition thumbnail. Pro tip over here is that YouTube algorithm will most likely recommend channels with higher quality videos, higher quality pictures as thumbnails. So you want to make sure that the content quality is the highest that you could possibly produce. I'm not saying that you should have a professional gear, but everything that you could choose and you have around yourself that will make your content better, use it. After we upload the video and we choose our thumbnail, we want to write our title. So you can go about short title that is very niche down. For example, how to create a YouTube video, right? Very niche down, versus how to upload a video online, right? Much more generic, versus the niche down, how to upload video in particular on YouTube. So in our case, we're going to go for more generic one simply because we are targeting greater audience. So how to upload video online, right? You can put a question mark as well. Then you have an option to add description. This is where you can essentially add 2, 3, 4 sentences at the very first line explaining what is the video about, helping the algorithm to identify the perfect audience for the video. After we include the description, you want to go down and you see we have a visibility check. This is where you can choose how the video will be published. Is it going to be private? Is it going to be unlisted? Unlisted means that only people who have the link. So when you upload the video, there's a share button on top where you can generate the link. You can share the link to other people, and no one else on the platform who doesn't have the link will be able to see the video. Or you can simply publish it as a public video. There is a fourth option in which you can actually schedule it. When you click on schedule, you have the option to select the time frame, the month, the day, the part of the day, AM, PM, and you can also set the video as a premiere, right? This could generate more people to sign up and get notified when the video gets live, right? But this is much more advanced settings. Then you also want to focus on the location over here. You want to pick up your location. The next part is if you have a different type of content that is uploaded on your channel. For example, you have one video for tips for online video uploading. You have more tips for like e-commerce, different sorts and categories. It's always good to create a playlist. This is where you can create your own playlist, right? And you can simply upload every video to the particular playlist. This will simply help people to watch more videos that are from the same topic. This will increase the view duration and the time spent on your channel overall. Last but not least, you can essentially turn the comments off if you don't want people to comment. This is something some people are choosing to do. Next option, very simple, will be to click next, and the video will start uploading. After the video is uploaded, you will have automatic checks from the YouTube algorithm, and then usually it takes around 10 minutes to see the final process. Then the video will get live. This is how simple it is to upload a video on YouTube in 2024. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how the YouTube algorithm works in 2024. If you want to grow fast, you need to change the way you use the platform. Let's jump right into it. Open the Chrome app on the actual incognito. I want you to open YouTube on incognito, and I want you to scroll down with the fresh new YouTube page without having logging in, without having anything that is previously searched. So without search queries, you can look what is currently recommended for you. And you probably wonder why this particular content is recommended to you. If you could look at simply over here, majority of the videos that we're seeing is essentially a news recap. So somebody is actually making a recap on the recent or previous news. This has been a trend through 2021, 2022, and 2023. But what I really want to pay attention to is that people are actually start using older news to make a recap on. If you look at over here, this particular video has been published 3 months ago, okay? And this video is going over the 9/11 attacks and so on and so forth. So people are actually more interested into having a detailed breakdown on previous news, things from the past rather than the new ones. Because when you create a recap on the new ones, you simply compete with these big news channels. You compete with as you can see over here, with Fox, with CNBC, you compete with Forbes breaking news, right? You don't want to compete with these guys. These guys have probably 3, 4, 6,000 different videos on the channels. These guys have, viewers that are watching them on the cable, and these people are watching them here as well. So they have a guaranteed audience. Not to mention that they are the main big channels here on the platform relating to news. So this means that there is a high chance for YouTube to recommend their content over your content for the same exact type of news. So my advice for you will be to simply go over and start making recaps, start making a reaction, or start making a commentary videos on old news. Because if you think none of these big news channels right now will be going after old news, you cannot imagine CNBC making a recap or news or commentary on news that happened 5 years, 10 years ago, right? None of these guys have time on air to lose or risk for the audience to make a recap on old news. While you can, while there could be a huge demand because it's already old news, there are not going to be so many recent views on the old news. Do you see where is the slim part? Where is the leverage that you can utilize? The demand is there, but the recent supply is not there. Not so many people thought about making recaps or making commentary videos on old news. So this is how you can actually start growing. Start making a recap videos or commentary videos or detailed explanations or documentaries if you have a budget for and time for on old news. This is how you can actually extract as much as value and Simply touch the fastest pace of growing on YouTube in 2024. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change your profile picture on YouTube. There is a new update on the YouTube platform, so I'm going to show you the shortcut how you can easily change your profile picture. Let's launch the YouTube app first. Then I want you to click on the lower right corner where you see your profile picture, okay? Then when you're over here, I want you to click on the profile picture at the top left corner, the bigger one. Now, when you're at your own YouTube channel landing page, the new update will simply allow you to do edits from the actual mobile device. You don't need the laptop or desktop version anymore. Now, you see this button that is called Manage Videos, right? Next to it, you have the Analytics, and next to Analytics button, you have this small pen. I want you to click on this small pen. When you click on the pen, you will have the option to change the name, the handle, the pronouns, right? To change the URL, the description, but also on the top center of the screen, you have an option to essentially click and change your profile picture. You can select the picture from your gallery, or you can upload the picture right away from your camera. It's very easy, guys, very simple. Thanks to YouTube, this new update makes things much easier. You can also change the background picture. You can change the actual landscape photo over here. If you click on it, as you can see, you can simply change it over here as well. Very easy, very simple. With the old version, you need a laptop, you need a desktop version, you need to resize items and things. Over here, things are very easy, guys. For more tips and tricks like this, subscribe and follow for more. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change your YouTube channel name, how to change your YouTube channel profile picture, and how to change your YouTube background picture as well. With the recent updates on YouTube, now everything is so easy and you can simply do all that from your iPhone. Let's launch the YouTube app first. Then I want you to click on the lower right corner where you see your profile picture. Then I want you to click on the bigger profile picture on the upper left side of the screen. Click on it. Now, when you're at your profile on mobile, you will see that there is a small pen at the right middle of the screen. Next to the Manage Videos, there is a small pen. I want you to click on this pen. When you click on this pen, you will have the options to essentially check and change your background image on YouTube, your main profile image on YouTube, your name, your handle, and you will be able to change your description and privacy. Plenty of things you could do with only having YouTube app and this updated version. Very easy, guys, very simple. As you can see, you can simply click on the background, you can change it. You can click on the main profile picture, you can change it. Here you can click on your name. Here is where actual changes happens. Don't forget that when you change your name, guys, you need to change manually your handle. Otherwise, your handle will remain with your previous name, and then it will be a mismatch between your new name and your handle. So it will be much harder for people to find you, your account, and your page. But this is how you change your YouTube channel name. Very easy, guys, very simple. For more tips and tricks like this, subscribe and come back for more. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can remove a background from a video, okay? Very easy, very simple. I want you to come over here at this website. It's called unscreen.com. You come over here and you click on upload clip. You can take a clip right away, of course, or you can choose one from your library. Now, example over here, I am going to choose this one. It's not going to be a perfect result simply because I do not have an actual object in between, but just to give you an idea, guys, how the app works, how easy the app works. Depending on how long is the video, it will take time to proceed. Now the video is already uploaded, and as you can see, we do have part of the video removed. Like I said, I didn't have like an actual person in the middle of the video, so you can get like the perfect idea how the video removal works, but I'm just giving you an example with the video that I have on my hand. And this is how the video remover actually works. Also, you can click here and you can share the video, the final project, or you can download it. If you click over here, you can download it as a GIF, or you can download it as animated PNG. For more tips like this, guys, subscribe and like this video.